How to create realistic photoshoot images by using virtual models. This is your Victor from Wearview, and we'll be learning how you can create, realistic photoshoot images just like these ones. These are all the images that I created by using a virtual model like this. Now, what tool did I use? Well, I use Wearview, so let's learn how you can do that with just a few clicks. First, go ahead and visit wearview.co and then go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It takes less than 10 seconds. Then click on the Try It Now button. Once you click on the Try It Now button, these are all the features that are provided by Wearview. Stuff like AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Pose Control, AI Consistent Model, AI Model Swap, and stuff like that. So for this video, as we want to create a realistic photo shoot, so I'll click on AI Product to Model. Once you click on AI Product to Model here, you will have to select the products. Now, if you're thinking what sort of garments or clothing things or accessories are supported by Wearview, well, for that, click on See What Works. Once you click on it, you will have this list where you can see product combination that works. It works with the dress, t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, and skirt. And also make sure you upload images which are like this one, like the simple images. Don't use anything in the background and stuff like that. Don't upload complex images. Try laying your clothes or laying your garments down in a at the ground, maybe on the floor, or maybe use a hanger and hang it, and then click images and then upload over here. So what I'll do, I have a few images that I will be uploading here, so let me do that. Alright guys, so I have selected a beautiful black jacket, a handsome black jacket, a blue jeans, and a pair of white sneakers. And if you want, you can also upload hats or maybe shades. It depends on you. And then we'll click on the next button. Now we will have to select our model. For this, if you have already a model image, then click on the Choose File and select your model. If you want, you can also click on See What Works. That will give you an idea, the kind of images that you have to upload here. And please skip these kind of images, complicated ones. If there are two or more person in the image, please don't use that. Upload images with a solid background. It works the best. But if you don't have a model or anything as such, then go ahead and click on the My Models button and then go to Model Library. Here we have a huge collection of women as well as man AI models. Now, as we have selected a black jacket, you can choose a man, but for this video, let's go ahead and choose woman. And for this video, I will choose Saina to be our model. So I'll click on it, click on her. For example, let me just go ahead to model, and this is the model that we want to choose. So we'll click on Select this model. All right, once we have selected our model, what we'll do, we'll click on the next button. And here you can describe your model and setting, which is an optional feature, but we won't use it. We won't need it because I have some extra steps that will give you great photoshoot images. So next, what you want to do is select the quality of your image that you want to generate. If you want the best of the best, then choose 4K, but recommended is 2K, and it is also really nice, as you will see already in this video. For the number of images, I'll choose 1, and for aspect ratio, I'll choose 90:16 because we want all the three clothings that we have selected. So finally, we'll click on the Generate button. Now this will take around 30 seconds to generate our images. It depends on the complexity of the dress that you chose, but still it takes around 30 to 40 seconds. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, our model is ready. She is wearing our jacket, our blue jeans, and the sneakers that we chose. She looks really awesome. Now, by any chance, if you see some artifacts in the background, maybe things that you don't want to be visible in the photo or in the photo shoot, then go ahead and click on the Refine button, and then you can choose something like Remove Background Distraction, Clean White Background, or Enhance Colors. But for me, I am really happy with the image, so what I'll do, I'll just download the image. Now you must be thinking this is just a single image, but we're talking about photo shoots. So what we will be doing, we'll click on the AI Pose Control. Once we click on the AI Pose Control here, it will say upload your model, but as we have generated our model just a few seconds back, so it is already selected, and then we'll click on the next button. Once you click on the next button here, you will have to choose the poses for your model. If you are not happy with all the poses that we have, you can also go ahead and create your own custom pose as well, which is something very nice. But for this video, let me go ahead and choose some of the poses that we want our model to, pose. So I'll select all of these. And yeah, how many of them we just selected? We selected 7 in total. At most, you can select 8 poses. So for this video, I've chosen 7, and then click on the next button. One thing that I forgot to mention, that you can also choose men, and there will be different poses for men as well. But if you want, you can also change the expression with a soft smile, confident, and serious. Let me choose soft smile for all the poses that we just selected, and then click on the next button. Here we will have to select the quality. Like I said, if you want the best of the best, you can go ahead and choose 4K, but even 2K gets the job done in a really realistic way. For aspect ratio, I'll choose match input image, which is the only option that you should choose, or else it might result into some bad results. So please choose match input image, and then finally click on the generate button. Now it says it will take around 4.5 minutes, but it doesn't. It takes around a minute or so. So I'll just resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so all our photo shoot or poses are ready and created successfully. As you can see, our model looks confident, and also all these images are so realistic. Even the back image looks so realistic, even the front ones. This is like a candid one. As you can see, all these images have been generated so nice. And like I said, if you have any artifacts in the image or you want to change something, you also have the refine feature here as well, so which you can use. If you want, you can also flip the image horizontally, or even download it from here. So what I'll do, I'll just download all these images because I'm really happy with the results, and I'm surely going to use this on my website or on my store, and then let the ball rolling and let me see the sales going up. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you create realistic photoshoot images with virtual models. This has been Victor from Wearview. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, take care, and I'll see you soon.